Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can modify RBF poses using Mesh Morpher Classic. So we're going to modify RBF poses directly in DNA asset attached to our MetaHumans. So let's open a MetaHuman and let's open the body of a MetaHuman. We're working in 5.8. So this is our MetaHuman body. We're opening poser. And in Poser, we're gonna have this pose driver tab here. You can move it anywhere, and we can click on load DNA. Once we click on load DNA, we will have this window open, and we have the opportunity to load the DNA from a file or to load it directly from our skeletal mesh. We will click OK to load the DNA from our skeletal mesh, and we click OK, and now we will have our DNA poses loaded directly in Mesh Morpher, right? So let's open the cuff L back 90 degrees, and we can see our current pose. And now we can modify it, right? Assuming there are some problems with the corrections, we can modify the corrections and fix our poses the way we want, right? So let's change it. We're gonna make a visible change so we can easily track our changes. And as you can see, once you modify a pose, it will appear red. It appears red because you didn't update the pose, so the changes will be written. Without updating the pose, when you write DNA, no changes will be written, right? So we're gonna go with update pose, and now you can see the pose is now green. When it's green, it means you modified it, and you also clicked update the pose, right? If I modify it again, you will see that it's again green, right? Okay, so now that this pose is updated, let's do the same for the right side, right? And we're just gonna do the same change here. And I'm gonna click update pose. Once I'm done with my corrections, everything looks great for me. I can click write DNA. When we click write DNA, we will have this option here. We have the opportunity to write the file, or if we changed any RBF settings in our solvers, we will select this as well. And we can insert missing attributes if we modify bones that are not part of our RBF solver, right? So I'm gonna leave the defaults and I'm gonna click OK. I got this message that the pose drivers have been written, and I'm clicking OK. And let's open our mesh in Persona, and let's test our poses, right? So I'm going to select the calf bone. I'm going to put it in 90 degrees. I can see my change here. And let's go on the right side. Right? And I'm going to do the same. I can see my change here as well. So this is how you modify RBF poses, the corrective poses for MetaHuman DNAs directly in the engine using Mesh Morpher Classic. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this functionality. If you have any feedback, just let me know, and see you around. Bye.